Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here with pretty much my favorite thing I was waiting for at CES this year, and that is the Royole FlexPai. Now this is the world's first bendable smartphone, and it really is a beauty in terms of design, and definitely the screen quality looks amazing as well. So really with this one, it just looks absolutely amazing in terms of the color, the vibrancy, and the look of it. And all in all, it really just has that really tablet feel. Now, I will say it does have a slight bend. Now that I was told that when you put it down for a while and straighten for a while, that will kind of straighten out. But you can see this curve in the back kind of has this ridges. So just know that it's a slight curve when you're holding it. Has speakers on the bottom right there, Type-C of course. But of course, the thing you want to see most is the fact that, yes, this really does bend in, and when you hit the camera, you can actually record that way, or you can flip it and do a selfie too. So it really is nice, the ability you have with this device where you can actually flip it and you'll be able to see it on both sides overall. Now I will say, when you hold it this way, it takes a second to switch, but the really nice part is when it does, then your touches on the back won't feel anything. So right now you can see me on there, and overall it doesn't feel bad in terms of the grip. Like, this curve actually makes it easier to hold, I would say, but of course it does have that thickness right there for it, so that's what the curve will offer as well. Overall, I really like the design of it, and it gives me idea. Oh, and by the way, how it holds it together is these strong magnets. So this is not opening. Like, if you have this in your pocket, it's not going to open in your pocket. So that's a really good way to have it as well. But then when you do finally open it, it takes a lot of strength to do it. And then I just love the full view. Now, this is currently available right now in China. It's being shipped right now. So that's really cool, the fact that they're already shipping to consumers. Like, you can actually get the final version of this. And there are plans to have an international version. So whether it be Europe and possibly even US, you will have to wait and see. It's around about 1,300 if you would convert it right now. So that's the price you're looking at to have this device. And really interested to see how it comes along and how it goes. Now, in terms of specs, we will put them up right here, right now. And you can see these are going to be the specs that we currently see for this device. So really have to wait and see just how it's going to show off all of this hardware along with software to boot. So really kind of curious to see how this goes along. But again, this is the first world's bendable smartphone, and definitely curious to see where this company is going to go next and what they're going to bring to the market. Alright guys, thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there, and right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.